Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unlink your Ubisoft account from PS5 account or PlayStation Network account. First, head into ubisoft.com and then log in your account. After logging in, you will see your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this profile icon and then click the account management. After clicking this, we will head into the main interface of the account management screen, where you can see the account information. Click this account information and then scroll a little until you see link accounts. Here you will see the PlayStation Network that is linked in my account. Now in this video, we have to unlink this. So click the unlink button and then click the continue button. Check this and then unlink. And that is how you can unlink your Ubisoft account from PS5 account or PlayStation Network account, and thank you for listening.